never anyone at this desk.
Never. There's always people in live streams.
When it gets wet, yeah, watch live streams.
Well, everyone knows what Florida's rain like. It could vary. We had shelter.
Still dribbling a bit.
Its defense is high-speed escape. When the water has no alternative but to fight, it does not use
But one good thing about rain, queue times go down. So we're doing safari because it's 15 minutes. Don't know what animals we will see because of the rain. But
I think most of them will be up.
I don't think the lions will.
Found a cheetah.
I need it. Yes, you may have noticed Gareth's done a outfit change since breakfast.
So for breakfast I don't do mornings. Now it's the Lion King.
Lion King. He didn't spill food. It wasn't out. He just wanted a looser shirt.
Better one.
He just wants more Disney shirts.
Usually if you look for spots before you look for the cheetah, it's easier to see. He might be really hiding out right now.
That's still night rain.
Alright, looks like they are hiding out pretty good. Alright, hold it right here. We have some rhinos heading this way. These are white rhinos. White rhinos are fairly social, except they're usually found in small groups, unlike black rhinos. They're the larger of the two species found here. Black rhinos weigh about 3,000 pounds. White rhinos weigh about 5,000 pounds. Alright, I think that was the last white rhino to walk past, hopefully. Rhinos can charge at about 35 miles an hour, but they can only see clearly a few feet in front of them, which is not necessarily the best combination to have on a big animal like that. They do have very excellent hearing and a very keen sense of smell, so they are aware of everything going on all around them. But lion territory here. We do usually call these rocks here prize rocks for the private lions found there. We're going to see if we have a little bit better luck with lions than we do with cheetahs.
Doesn't look like it.
No. Cats don't like rain.
Here we go. And it looks like at the base of those rocks, the lion is laying right there also.
Oh yeah. Where? Can you see the lion?
In case they get any unwanted visitors.
He's just over there.
He's over there.
Hold on. There.
What are we looking at here? Yeah, he's all the way in the back. Something white in the back.
a giraffe head.
Oh, they do look very similar, I can see now. I'm the only one in pink.
And I seem to be the only one without one. Oh, take your pick. They probably go to the same place.
Yeah.
Trail marker number 5. Just put your poncho on. We're going indoors. I'll open the other door.
A shell.
It's Shelly. Sorry, you can't come outside. It's no food. You're bite size. I'm hilarious, I know.
I know, you're funny. Because these birds are flag free. Fish. Ooh. Normally follow your hand.
Sometimes. If they like to pull up your shirt, they'll call you.
That's a nice wall. Where are we now?
Do not know. I want to get probably some kind of cat.
It probably doesn't want to be wet, says run away. Sorry?
Let's see gorillas at the head. We got the
Gorillas.
group of gorillas and then the back players on the bridge.
Is the cats hiding, are they?
Yeah.
Zebra's a
It's
meerkat.
predicting weather though. That's the thing. So, anytime they know weather's coming, just little burrows. It literally went 20 minutes before the first storm came, like the first downpour. And I was like, all right, time to get the reindeer out. They also do that with birds too. If there's like a hawk or something flying by, they all like go underground.
So you know it's either a hot or bad weather.
Yes.
Ponchos at the ready. Thank you.
This one here in the middle. Little one, he's awesome for. Him and Flint and Tori, the two little ones who were born like a month apart. Bro, different moms.
Okay, that's their shelter. They're like, yeah. Oh, sorry.
Boing.
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 Da, 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 da.
I hear.
It partially sounds like fireworks, but partially sounds like thunder.
I hear.
That sounds like thunder.
I hear thunder.
Follow the finger.
I take it back. That's been the most interesting thing you've discovered all holiday. Ow! Ah.
I was following the finger.
Saw that on camera.
Ooh.
Fully.
If it wasn't raining, I'd take a photo.
I'm sure we'll be back again and hopefully no rain.
Oh, I have got my phone.
Am I in camera shot? Am I in camera shot?
Yeah.
So while Gareth is taking pictures, I'll give you a quick run through because I don't know how much we've vlogged in between stuff. So we did Boma. We still need to review that, but that can be done. I think it's going to be a early night because of the pending weather. And now I've got it under lens. Hi. We came to Animal Kingdom. We've done Primeval World, Everest. What else have we done? I don't know what we've done. Hideout of Rain, as you can tell.
Come here.
Come here.
Oh, there's a word behind it.
The world, the Disney World. It's not a Disney World. We'll just make it a Disney World.
Yeah.
I would recommend Boma again. Like we could, we might grab another one if we can.
We can certainly have a look.
We even maybe try dinner. Don't know. I would definitely recommend it. Yeah.
What else have we done?
We came to Animal Kingdom.
Lots of bus rides.
Came to Animal Kingdom, as you can tell. We are
Drop the
here.
landing directly on your head.
I know.
So what was our first? What did we come in and do straight away? Came in, we've had a few pass photos.
Yeah. I actually can't remember. I know we did Everest without
We did
film.
shops. Brought the shirt.
I brought some shirts, but we will do a haul, but you've probably already seen the haul, so you would have known what I brought. So it's fine. Brought some shirts. You browse around the tree trying to find the path,
Yeah, so we found the path that leads.
or a path. I don't think it's the right path.
I think that is the path. It goes right up to the tree, and it actually comes out on It's Tough to Be Above the Path. Well caught that drop. Sharing the drops.
Yeah.
So we did that.
Oh, we did the up. We did up.
Oh yeah, we did the up flight
first.
bird show. I thought it's disappointing compared to the last one.
Yeah, I did prefer the other one that had more birds flying around. Ugh.
Well caught that drop.
Right in the eye. So we did that. Then we did Everest, which we did without cameras because we've already done it once. You would have seen it, and we do want nice photos without cameras. Then we walked to the front of the park. I did some dancing.
We saw some flamingos.
Flamingos caught in the rain, and then it stopped. So we did safari because it was 15 minutes, and then it rained again.
And then we did the gorilla. I can't remember. It's called gorilla something.
We're on a gorilla trail. Still currently on there, so I think we're going to finish it and then head over to Pandora for our first class.
Yeah.
And then go home. I think it's just going to rain.
Bamboo.
I think it's just going to rain, and so I'm feeling most of the nighttime shows are going to get cancelled. So that's not really much for us to do.
Or we go back for an early night.
Yeah, early night because we've got early morning tomorrow. Be our guest at 8 AM. So that means park doesn't open till 9 at all, like not even extra magic hours. So empty castle shops. So this one needs to be in bed early. So we'll finish this walk and then we'll give you a review of Navari River when we've done it.
Lots of people just going, what they doing?
Okay.
Wow, it's loud.
The back side of the water!
No, just the side of water.
It's the side of the water!
Is this what you get if you ask for a side of water? Do not feed the wildlife. You can't feed them because they're already drowned. Woo!
That's one piece.
Oh. Oh, I think we're done.
Coolio, so let's start.
We saw about 3 gorillas. Very wet floor. Valley of Moara.
Right, is that how they pronounce it?
Sign that. Oh, there's something on the thing over here, there. Not sure what that's meant to be.
I don't know. I've forgotten the film.
There's a random hole in the ground there.
Still fascinating.
By what? By the mountains.
Just the detail of it.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is it a queue or is it something up there?
Somewhere in there.
Oh, okay.
Disney and water rides.
I've never had an issue with a water ride. I've never got stuck in Pirates of the Caribbean.
I got stuck in Pirates of the Caribbean a good like 8-9 times.
I've never had that issue.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated at all times while you're going to be riding the boat. The boats are going to be moving soon. Thank you.
We're not allowed to finish the ride.
No. It's weird. I literally just said, it's not being so when a cast member comes there. And I just walk out like, we're back in our hotel after we got evacuated from Navi River. Clearly today's not been our day. Rain. And like, we were just there. Literally had to go round the corner and it was the end of the ride. That is where we got to.
On the upside, we've got a fast pass.
We got another fast pass on top of the free fast pass we got from the Disney Vacation Club. So, can't really moan, but
Probably can't see me, but I'm down here.
Hi.
Hi.
So we're just looking at the map. We may do some washing because Gareth has no clothes.
Need some laundry.
And we're just going to have dinner here because we're up, as I said already, we're up early for Be Our Guest. And as I've already said, it's 8 AM, park doesn't open till 9. So empty magic, castle shots. So,
Where's H?
what do you mean H?
It is.
What's H?
It is Spyglass Grill.
Oh. I don't know what Spyglass is. I think it's like, I think, I don't know. I can't speak. But yeah, this is our map.
So the bus comes up here, turns around up here, drops off at Martinique,
So,
comes down here, drops off at Old Port Royal,
yes, then drops up Barbados.
then does Barbados, then probably goes to Trinidad,
Trinidad.
then turns around,
Then
goes back this way,
goes to Jamaica.
Jamaica,
Then Aruba.
not Jamaica's there, then goes to Aruba, and then turns around,
And comes back.
and then goes out.
Hello, aircon. Nice to know you're working. So for those who are staying on Caribbean Beach. Oh, I don't know.
It's a zoomed-in map.
So those who are staying on here, if you want to get on the bus first, it is Martinique is the first pickup point.
Which is this stop here.
And you are also quite close to Old Port Royal, so the food courts, the pool there.
Reception, there's a store. Well, reception's here. Then you got store here. Food thing here. Sebastian's Bistro's here somewhere. What was this building?
Well, E is Sebastian's Bistro,
Banana Cabana.
so that's the cocktail place. We could do that tonight. Maybe.
Plus K and L.
K and L is
Movie Under the Stars and Caribbean K Playground.
So yeah, that's just a little
There's
map.
a campfire over there.
That is just a brief map. Birthday cookie time.
Wow.
And I think it's actually appropriate because they're airing Mickey's their birthday spectacular tonight at 8. So because we're here, we might as well watch it. So we're gonna try the birthday cookie.
I don't know if my head's even in this shot.
You're not important, so it's fine. It's all about the birthday cookie. And then we'll try my red velvet chipped ahoy because I saw Damien India had these from their last trip and I wanted to try some. So I blame you guys.
Let's do this.
Right. Which one first?
That one, because we've got to save the best to last.
But how do you know these are not the best?
Because that one's birthday cake.
This is red velvet.
Nothing's better than birthday cake.
This is red velvet.
Nothing's better than birthday cake.
This is red velvet.
Birthday cake!
Don't know if it's real.
Birthday cake.
Oh, there we go. Oh, they're tiny. I thought they were going to be bigger. That's okay. One for you. And one for me. Get comfortable. So they do have apparently cream cheese flavoured chips. Ooh. They're good.
They're quite dry.
Oh, I bet they'll be nice warmed up. I know we can't warm them up.
Could run some hot water on them.
Don't be an idiot and ruin cookies.
Soggy cookie.
See that down? Cool. Then quite sick.
Now the best to last.
I love how their packaging is so much better than us in the UK. You just pull it. Nothing.
Ours, you tear it and they go everywhere.
Yeah, right. This is just simple. There we go. One for you. And one for me. Ooh.
Got a Mickey head on it.
And this one says 90.
And this one says 90.
Because he's 90 years old.
Oreo. Oreo.
This one's got a party pop. It's got hidden Mickeys in it. For party purpose. I think that's all of them. Hang on. Got to expect all the cookies. We've done a Mickey one. Done a 90. I think that's all there is. Okay. Very.
It's a very vanilla-y Oreo.
Yeah, really pungent.
But it's nice. It's good.
Thumbs up for the cookies.
I think the Oreo ones are better than the Chips Ahoy ones.
I like the Chipped Ahoy ones, but I do like these ones. I'm not voting against the cookies. I like them both, but I could eat more of those than the Chipped Ahoys. They're quite sickly, but nice. Round 3 of the pins. We have got food, but I've got told off for getting out. Taking long getting into pyjamas.
I'm a little bit worried there's no hook, so I'm going to guess that I've got another bashful.
Oh no, you haven't! Other end. Who is it? Can he knows?
Doc?
Yes.
Johnson. And see Disney's The Nutcracker in the 4 Realms in theaters November 2nd. It's not how much you spend on presents. It's the time you spend together.
Again, it's an end one, so I haven't got the thing here. So...
Yeah, it's another bashful. So you've got 2 bashfuls now.
3.
3. Well, we've got 2. So 2 to trade.
Reports the Miami Herald.
Not doing very well.
It's not about school.
I've not seen anybody with these either.
We're going to have to reconsider. Right. Let's do food and then we can wrap up for the night. Yeah, we stole like all the sauces as well.
Don't know what anybody's talking about. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard.
Crushed red pepper.
Crushed red pepper. I didn't know that was.
Some salt. Salt. Pepper.
Pepper.
Magical year awaits you when you become an annual pass holder today.
Parmesan cheese.
Don't know whose food that's going on because we actually have weird food. Well, not
Sprinkle it
weird.
on my chips.
International Food and Wine Festival.
Hot sauce.
Oh, I thought that was ketchup.
No, hot sauce.
Okay, I wanted ketchup.
Well, you completely failed, didn't you?
Yeah.
Ketchup's in the pushy down things. Like.
I did see. Good doctor.
But that is nice, by the way. I've got some cups. I did think you were grabbing a lot of hot sauce. More
like it.
honey mustard. One with a hole in it.
Yeah. Right. Well, that could be us anyway. And we're watching. Well, we were watching. Well, I was watching Mickey's. We've missed like half an hour doing food and trying to get fast passes. We had an issue. The park tomorrow Magic Kingdom was only open till 4:30. I'm fine with that, but the app would not let us get any fast passes.
No fast passes.
No fast passes. There's loads of fast passes though. I mean, the obvious ones have gone, like Seven Dwarfs.
Cutlery.
Seven Dwarfs, Peter Pan, and all that. You know, Meeting Mickey. They're all gone. But we managed to get Buzz, Jungle Cruise. Ooh, that's
Nuggets.
There's my nuggets. I wasn't expecting to let that, but I just.
Looks like you got 2 different things.
I just wanted nuggets and chips. I feel like I need to appreciate more Disney food, because then I can moan about it when I get back home. So classic nuggets and chips.
Salt.
We're still. And then Gareth's got his plant burger again because he enjoyed it. So that is us for today. Very wet. It means rained again. We got washing to pick up soon, and then up early tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Bye.
Global superstars that you guys might recognize.